So that little blast of winter is a little bit short-lived. We're going back to those wet and messy days of fall, basically.
Yes, we definitely are. You know, temperatures are going to rise once again as we close out the work week, but the next system, it does threaten a messy mix once again. So we are looking at a shot of snowfall, but then the temperatures rise and that precipitation changes to rain. So we'll time it all out, taking a live look outside. This shots from our tower camera. So quite a bit of snow on the ground throughout much of Waterloo region and much of southern Ontario too, despite temperatures yesterday rising a little bit above the freezing mark. Today, fairly chilly, but at least the winds are calm. Conditions are fairly nice. It's 1 degree throughout our daytime high in Waterloo region. A mix of sun and clouds depending on where you are. Increased cloud cover expected again, as mentioned earlier, west to east through the day. Overnight tonight, -1. Got quite a bit happening. So snow develops overnight. We're looking at a ballpark 5 centimeters in Waterloo region. Temperature rises through the overnight and by tomorrow morning, and then that precipitation moves over to some rain. So depending on where you are, you might be shoveling or at least scraping off the vehicle early tomorrow morning before that moves into rainfall. So timing it out, areas toward the extreme south and west by later this afternoon, if not early evening, showers develop as that pushes further east. Areas like St. Mary's, Stratford, London, as we head north toward Goderich and the Saugeen Shores, getting into snowfall. Kitchener-Waterloo later on tonight and early through the overnight hours. By tomorrow morning, a bit of snow on the ground. We might see some scattered showers. If not, it's still going to be fairly cloudy. The rain develops through the afternoon into the evening. So nonetheless, snow to start, then rainfall. As that transition happens, could lead to a little bit of a messy mix out on the roads. Here's a look at our snowfall totals. So areas along the shores of Erie, also as we head toward the extreme south and west, you likely are going to stay as rain. And if you do see snow, probably won't accumulate too much. 5 to 10 centimeters throughout much of our viewing area, closer to Georgian Bay, Cottage Country, areas like Wasaga, Collingwood, seeing a little bit more than that. And then rainfall total is about 10 to 15 millimeters throughout much of southern Ontario, including Waterloo region. Here's our almanac. So our normals, 4 degrees for a high, -4 for a low. We're looking at values climbing a little bit above in the next couple of days. So by Thursday, double-digit daytime highs. Still lingering showers. Hopeful to see some drier conditions, though, compared to Wednesday, at least later on in the afternoon and through the evening Thursday. Temperatures to close out the work week are staying on the mild side, a little bit above seasonal. And then for the weekend, at this point in time, looks to be quite nice. A mix of sun and clouds Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures near seasonal. The next system expected to move in Sunday night, lasting through early next week. So we'll keep an eye on that system in the long range. Lambton, Kenton, Essex, 7 degrees for Wednesday. Periods of rain continuing for you by Thursday. 11 degrees for a daytime high, so fairly mild. Any snow on the ground for some regions closer to Lambton likely won't be there for much longer. And southern Georgian Bay, you're looking at 6 degrees Wednesday. Again, snow tonight and then moving over into that rainfall through tomorrow. Fairly cloudy conditions as we close out the work week and start the weekend. All right, here's today's Weather Watcher photo. Wayne sent this photo in yesterday of the sunrise in Cambridge. Stunning colors to start the day. Thanks for sharing this with us, Wayne. You are today's Weather Watcher.
That's a beautiful sunrise.
It certainly is. So many colors in that photo.
All right, thanks so much, Shannon.
You're welcome.
Time now.